Hey guys, so this video is going to be a makeup removal therapy. I've seen Alyssa Ashley do this a time or two. I've seen her do the makeup therapy, and then I've seen her do like a skincare therapy type deal, and that's kind of what this video is going to be. I'm going to remove my makeup and do some skincare, and it's just going to be really nice and relaxing. I'm not going to go into detail about the products. In fact, I'm not going to be talking throughout this video. It's just going to be something that's going to be for relaxing because today has been a really stressful day. I'm really tired. I was debating on whether to film this or not because I am so tired, but I've been trying hard to stay on top of my skincare lately, especially now that I'm pregnant. So I think a good skincare therapy is in order. So if you would like to relax and just watch a good skincare routine, just sit back and watch. If you would like me to make a video about my skincare and about all the products that I use, because the products that I'm going to be using tonight aren't every single product that's in my skincare routine, because I do rotate out. If you would like me to go into detail about those a little more, I can make a video about it. Just leave it in the comments below. But for this video, just enjoy it.